What's up guys, my name is Dean, aka the Blue Crusader, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're back for another Minecraft video and I'm going to be showing you how to install Pixelmon Reforged. Pixelmon Reforged is basically a version of Pixelmon that's made by some of the original creators of the mod, but it kind of has new custom spells, new custom moves, and a lot more features than the original does, and I think they kind of constantly keep it updated. I haven't personally tried Reforged myself, but I have played the normal Pixelmon on 1.12.2, so I know this is a really good mod. But today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Reforged version. So to do this, the link is going to be below guys, but you want to go to reforged.gg. Once we go there, there should actually be a few download buttons. Now my camera is slightly blocking it, but I'm going to show you exactly what to click. And there's a few different ways we can install this. You can actually install it really easily, so if you want it to be quick and easy, I'd recommend just clicking the Technic button and installing the pack through there because it's the easiest. But I'm going to be showing you how to do it manually because for some people the other method won't work and some people actually want to know how to manually install it. So that's what this video is here for. So you want to click download, and what it will do is it'll take us to an ad link. Unfortunately you can't avoid the ad guys, but the mod's free, so I guess it doesn't really matter. And we want to skip the ad once we waited for it, and it will actually download a mod here, Pixelmon 1.12.2 Universal. Now the great thing about this is if you actually go to the website, there is a part here highlighted and it actually tells you which version of Forge it's for, which is going to be super useful. Type in Google Minecraft Forge and it should come up with a link, and there should be a little link for 1.12. You'll want to click that and it should come up with some downloads for 1.12. Now we can click on show all versions here. And the aim of the game is to actually find the version that we want that actually matches the version that it said on the Pixelmon website. So the Pixelmon website, it says we need Forge 2768. So we should be able to find that here. If we just go down, we should be able to find 2768. You want to click 1.12.2 by the way. That's the only way you're going to find this version. And we're just going to search for 2768 and it should be the recommended one, but we can just search it again just to double check, and we have 2768 down here. You want to click download, so we'll just go on the recommended version because I'm pretty sure this is the one we need, and we can use Windows Installer or we can use Installer. I'm going to download Installer because that's a Java file and I kind of feel like they're safer and just a lot quicker to run. So we'll download that, click on keep, and then once this completes we want to click on Forge and it should automatically install it for us into a Minecraft profile so we don't have to install Forge manually, which should be the easiest way. If not, we'll have to install Forge. So click on the Forge we just downloaded and it should actually show you the destination it installs to, which should be correct automatically so you don't have to mess with it. But if it doesn't look like this, then you might have to change it to look like this, but it should install it automatically. You want to click install client and press OK, and then it should have a little bit of a loading bar and it should actually install it into your Minecraft. And what it should do is create a launcher option in the Minecraft launcher, and it should allow you to go straight into Minecraft Forge for that version. So just wait for it to install and then we'll double check Minecraft on the launcher and we'll check to see if it's there. So it says successfully installed client profile Forge for version, and it says into the launcher, so click OK. And I have the Minecraft launcher open. I'm just going to reload it. You want to click keep on the other file for the Pixelmon file if you haven't already, just so it finishes the download. Then we want to open the Minecraft launcher wherever it is on your computer. I'm sure you guys will know where you've saved it or where the shortcut is. And if we click on the little version here, we should be able to look for something that says something to do with Minecraft Forge 1.12.2. Should be on there if it's installed correctly. We'll go on installations and hopefully we can find it. We'll click on new and then hopefully it should say release 1.12.2 Forge at the bottom. And then we'll just call this profile Pixelmon 1.12.2 and press enter, and then now you want to select it and get ready to launch it, but first we have to install Pixelmon itself. Wherever you saved the pixelmon.jar that downloaded, I'm just going to throw it on my desktop, but you guys should know where the download location is, so you want to get that file somewhere where you know where it is. And then if you click on it, you'll see that nothing will actually happen because it's not an installer file. If you click on it, it's not going to run. It's a mod file that needs Minecraft to load. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the Minecraft folder. If you don't know how to get here, you just click this little white box here in the address part, type percentage app data percentage, and it should take to the folder that I'm in. Then you want to click .minecraft, and it should have a folder called mods. What we want to do, find the Pixelmon file on your desktop, mine's here or wherever you saved it, and just throw it in this mods folder. That's all you do, put it in the mods folder, and then what we shall do, we've already selected Pixelmon in the bottom left on the launcher, and now what we need to do is press play, download any required files, and jump into Pixelmon. Now when Minecraft loads, it should have a few loading bars here. As you can see, it says installation Pixelmon. This means that it's working. This means that it's actually recognized the mod in the folder and it's actually installing it and loading it through Forge. If you don't have these loading bars here or any of this weird stuff that's happening on screen, that means that Forge isn't working. But if you do have them and you don't see Pixelmon, that means that you've not installed the mod correctly. But don't quit, because you need to actually go into the main menu first to actually check if Pixelmon's working. Because what you do is you click on mods here, and if it's working, it should say Pixelmon 7.0.6 or something like that. It should have Pixelmon on the list. If it does, you're basically good to go. So click OK. You can configure it as well. You can kind of mess with everything, but we're not going to touch that because that's just to do with the mod. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to create a new world on creative, and just to test the mod, just to make sure the items are working. This video isn't a showcase. I'm not going to show the mod off. I'm not going to show like all the Pokemon or do a video on the mod itself. This is just how to install it, but we're going to make a new world just to make sure all the items are there. But from what we've seen on the main menu, the mod seems to be working. And it says this is a fan-made mod. Pokemon's owned by Nintendo. Welcome to the world, thanks for installing. Pick your starter Pokemon. I guess we can just pick Charmander for example, and begin your adventure. And now we have this whole interface. We have the Pokemon interface on the left, and if we press on creative mode, we have the actual Pokemon interface on Pixelmon. And if we look to the left, we actually have a Meowth. We actually have Pokemon spawning in the world. And if we go across, there's actually custom creative tabs where you can actually get all the Pokeballs and stuff like that. So this is just to prove to you guys that Pixelmon does actually work on 1.12.2 and how to install the best version of it. If the servers which is running Pixelmon Reforged, then this is how to install it to play with your friends, or if you're just trying to play on single player, that's how to install it as well. So thanks guys for watching, really super appreciate it. If you want to see more Minecraft videos on the best mods, the coolest maps, and how to make mods, and how to make skins and really cool stuff, make sure to click that like button so I know you enjoyed the video and it was helpful, and make sure to subscribe as well because you don't want to miss all these awesome daily Minecraft videos. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.